Hey guys, Mike here. Today we're going to take a look at iBooks 1.1. This is an update to Apple's ebook reader and marketplace. A while back I did a look at version 1.0. So if you're interested in seeing more of the features, the marketplace and the bookmarks, all that, go ahead and check out that. This is going to just basically be an update, with version 1.1. And one of the features here in 1.1 is now it's available on the iPhone and iPod Touch when you're running iOS 4. Okay, so what we'll do here, I'm going to show you some of the features here on the iPod or on the iPhone, and then we'll go back and I'll show you the syncing between them, some of the features where you can link them together. So here we go, and the first feature here I want to mention is it's now a PDF reader. So before it was just ebooks from Apple's iTunes bookstore and also any EPUB file that you loaded on here. But now you can view PDFs on here. So it's now basically a PDF reader. And just show you how that works, we'll open this up and I have a PDF inside of email. And basically it opens up inside email. Then right up here you have the option to open in iBooks. And I'll switch back over to iBooks and it will load it back up. And there we are. So you have the option to basically read PDFs inside here. And you can use the bookmark feature. And I think the other features might depend on the particular PDF. So that's how it works with PDFs. One thing to note here is you have a PDF rack, and then you can switch back over to the bookshelf. Okay, so here we are looking at the Winnie the Pooh, the free Winnie the Pooh book. I'll go through some features here that are new in 1.1. One thing to note is you can now do fully justified text, which is really nice. This makes it a lot easier to read, definitely more conventional to regular books. And the rest of them up here, let's take a look inside the font menu. And here you can change the paper on the background. This is really nice because it makes it a little bit easier to read. It's a very high contrast with the white, so that's pretty nice. Next, you have a new font, this Georgia font. We're actually using it right now. And some of the other features here, you have a bookmark, so you can bookmark the whole page. Makes it easier to jump to that particular page. Some other things you can do here, you can also create a note. So we'll just select it like so, and we'll create a new note. And then it's like a little sticky pad. You can go ahead and type that all out, all right? So now we're all done with that. You can see about the page we're on. One thing to note here is the iPhone. It is a smaller display, obviously, and it does show less text than it does on the iPad. So the pages, work out a little bit differently, but the syncing seems to get pretty close. So you can see we did some stuff here. We put a note. Let's go ahead and highlight some text here. Some more text. We'll do a highlight right there, okay? So we have some text highlighted, we have a note, we have a bookmark. Let's see if this now matches up over on the iPad. Okay, so here we are in the iPad. We'll open up Winnie the Pooh. And here we're opening up. And it opens up to the correct page. You can see our bookmark up there. And you can see our note right here and our highlighting. Okay, so this all works over Wi-Fi. You have to be on the same Wi-Fi network in order to share. So this is pretty cool where, if you're reading on your iPad, you want to pick up and go, you can save your spot wherever you're at, on your iPhone or iPod Touch. Pretty nifty feature, and it seems to work really great, as you just saw. So there you go, guys. A look at iBooks 1.1 for the iOS. Again, it's available on the iPhone and iPod Touch for iOS 4, and the iPod on iOS 3.2. This is Mike from Insanely Great Mac. Thanks for watching.